Hello friends, in chapter number 1 chemical reaction and equation we already studied one type of chemical equation which is called combination reaction. Now we study another type of chemical reactions, and it is called decomposition of reactions. Let's see activity to study the decomposition of reaction. Activity 1.5. Activity 1.5 study as that to study the decomposition of ferrous sulfate on heating. To study the decomposition of ferrous sulfate on heating. Here we take ferrous sulfate and we study one type of chemical reaction. It is called decomposition. Let's see how the activity procedure. In decomposition of ferrous sulfate, first of all take approximately 2 grams of ferrous sulfate. Take approximately 2 grams of ferrous sulfate. We take ferrous sulfate in a boiling tube. Ferrous sulfate in a boiling tube. We know ferrous sulfates are crystals in form. So we take crystals of ferrous sulfate in boiling tube. Hold the boiling tube with tongs. Then heat crystals of ferrous sulfate on the flame of burner. In this activity, we studied observe colored of ferrous sulfate after heating. Take crystals of ferrous sulfate approximately 2 gram on the boiling tube. Heat on the Bunsen burner, flame of the burner, and in this activity we observe the color of ferrous sulfate after heating. And the second one we observe it which types of gases can be liberated. Simply we study this activity, we understood this activity about simple diagram. We draw the diagram for study about it. Simply take burner, heat it, flame of the burner, take a boiling tube. In boiling tube, take crystals of ferrous sulfate and in this activity we first observe the crystals of ferrous sulfate after heating, and when we take boiling tube on the flame of the burner, the gas which be liberated, gases will be liberated. This one is burner, test tube, in test tube crystals of ferrous sulfate. In this activity, the gases will be liberated they have strong irritating smell. So we cannot take directly the smell of gases. You can take care, you can take caution for this activity, which is that you can take boiling tube in this way, slightly outside, and take smell slowly of gases. Do not take the mouth with yourself, boiling tube's mouth with yourself, or do not take the mouth with your neighbors, because the gases have irritating smell and they can hazardous for our inhalation, exhalation, respiratory system. So we cannot take directly the gases. We can take slowly the smell of gases. So gases can be take not directly, slowly the caution will be take care. We stop the diagram. Now we understood about the observation for this reaction. The observation says us that in first ferrous sulfate are in crystal form. Write the observation. We have two observations for here. we observe first is the color of ferrous sulfate is green colored. But after heating, it is converted into reddish brown colored. First, when we take the crystals of ferrous sulfate in boiling tube, the color of ferrous sulfate is green in color. But when we heat it, the color it change into reddish brown color. The second observation is that because of combustion of sulfate, strong and irritating smell of gases are liberated. The gases can be pass out and the gases can be liberated are strong and irritating smell. Two type of observation can says this activity. The first is color is change and the second is because of combustion of sulfate, strong and irritating smell of gases are liberated. First we take the chemical equation for this reaction and then clear about the gases and color of ferrous sulfate. First we write the equation for this reaction. Chemical equation, which is to write complete chemical equation to getting full marks, we already know about all molecular formulas of the chemical equations. We all substances which will take in the reaction. So we first of all know about the molecular formula of ferrous sulfate. When we write the perfect molecular formula for each and every one substances, the reaction will be always right and we get full marks for it. So the right formula of ferrous sulfate, first of all, the formula of ferrous sulfate is FeSO4. Ferrous sulfates are in crystal form, so we take the physical composition for this, and this is small s. When we heat it, ferrous sulfate is converted into ferric oxide, which is called Fe2O3. The color is green, which is due to FeSO4, and the color convert is in reddish brown, which is due to Fe2O3. This is also in powder form, so we write physical state or small s. Two gases which have strong and irritating smell, they are SO2 and SO3, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. In lower standard we already learn about the method of chemical formula and method of molecular formulas, method of how to writing atoms. We write always in this form: F capital, E small, S capital, O capital, and base of O we write 4, FeSO4. We cannot write this way. These are the wrong method to represent the molecular formula. In Fe2O3 we cannot write in this way. These are the wrong methods to represent the molecular formulas, and you will lose the marks to write in this way. So we clear and we take care about the writing of molecular formulas. These two are gases, so physical states are small g. SO2 and SO3 have irritating and bad smells. We can write the name for each formulas. This first of all we complete the equation, balance the equation. This here Fe have 1, S have 1 atom, O have 4 atom. In products, Fe 2 atoms, oxygen 3 plus 2 plus 3, 8 atoms. S 1 plus 1, 2. Here we have 4. 2 oxygen, we multiply it with 2, so the balance of each and every atoms. So we write 2 before FeSO4 and the equation will be balanced. You have tried to balance the equation with yourself and practice for it. You definitely learn, you have definitely write about perfectly when you practice it. Now we give the name for each FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, Fe2O3, ferric or you called it ferrous, oxide, this is sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. Now, friends, here we take one type substance which is called ferrous sulfate, and this is ferric oxide, and we have three types of products for here. We take one substance which is called ferrous sulfate, and we have three types of products here. The products are different. And which is in the form of, this is in the form of ferrous sulfate, this is ferric oxide. So the equation will be, balance equation will be complete. 2FeSO4 on heating, Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Let revise quickly. Take approximately 2 gram of, first of all we study the decomposition of ferrous sulfate on heating. Take approximately 2 gram of ferrous sulfate on the boiling tube. Hold the boiling tube with tongs. Heat the crystals of ferrous sulfate on the flame of burner. Observe color of ferrous sulfate after heating and which type of gases. You can take the smell of gases with carefully, not directly heating it, but carefully heat the smell of gases which will be liberated. The observation says us that the color of ferrous sulfate is green color, but after heating it is converted into reddish brown color because of ferric oxide. Because of combustion of sulfate, strong and irritating smell of gases are liberated. The gases are liberated, but the gases are SO2 and SO3. The chemical equation for this activity says us that 2FeSO4 Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. So the activity says us that we can take one type of product, we can take one type of substance, and after heating we have three types of products. Let's see in next session about the continuous of decomposition reaction.